SyndLab is a web-based app which lets you rank your movies and your websites on Google in 2 days or even less. By syndicating your content to more than 30 social networking, SyndLab can process all types of articles, whether it's blog sites, videos, blogs and more. A few other upgrades they've made in SyndLab 2.0 are completely revamped their syndication engine to deliver faster syndications and also faster results after processing over 500,000 syndications, upped their syndication integrations from 21 sites to 30 sites, increased to 51 sites for auto-1. Added RSS feeds of your campaigns to allow for even further syndication and also indexing. Added campaign cloning to make it faster and easier to get even more content syndicated. Added Facebook photo and video syndication. Integrated with the #1 photo sharing website, Instagram. Added the ability to export campaign reports in just one click, and much more. They literally have a list of about 25 upgrades they've made for SyndLab 2.0. These are a few that are most prevalent for you to know about. With SyndLab you will be able to easily and quickly syndicate your videos and/or niche websites across all your networks. Be able to get fast page 1 rankings through the power of social syndication backlinks. Be able to have your blog posts go viral by syndicating your content on all social platforms. Be able to post instantly or schedule posts for the future. And much more. How does it work? Everything you has to do has been narrowed down into those 4 steps. Step 1. Choose to syndicate and position a site or a video. Step 2. Pick which sites you want. Step 3. Pick to program or to begin today. Step 4. Let the app take the rest of your work. You will shortly detect substantial changes in traffic, positions, and revenue. All are done entirely automatically. Pros and cons of SyndLab. Pros. Additionally, the scheduling feature is of great value. Organize your content future distributions in a single day and enjoy the auto-syndication. Since it acts as a content distribution and management platform, it is great for reaching out to larger audiences. Even though you may not be using all of the 30 built-in sites, you are still getting a ton of value by increasing your content visibility at the click of a button. By syndicating content, you also get backlinks to your site, therefore increasing the chances of ranking. The tool can be used to generate more leads for a business. Built-in analytics and reporting functionality make it easy to see which sites are giving you results. Additionally, the scheduling feature is of great value. Organize your content future distributions in a single day and enjoy the auto-syndication. Cons. Drip feed option is only available in the Pro version. However, the price difference between the two isn't huge. SyndLab will give you the rank boosts you long for. SyndLab. Facts. Is SyndLab Mac compatible? Yes. Actually, SyndLab works on any PC. It's a web-based app, which means you just need a web browser and a net connection and you will be able to use SyndLab. Do I need any proxies or captchas to make SyndLab work for me? Nope. We have created SyndLab in a way that you do not need any captchas or proxies to make it work. Many ranking tools require captchas and proxies, but SyndLab does not. Is there a guarantee policy? Yes, certainly. We're extremely confident in what we have created. So confident that you will be able to use SyndLab for a full 30 days. And if within those 30 days you feel SyndLab isn't for you, then just shoot us an email and we will give you a full refund. Does SyndLab work for local marketing? Yes, certainly. We have built SyndLab to work for anything you are looking to do online. Local, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, e-commerce, pretty much anything that you need targeted traffic for.